Good morning, friends, or maybe good very early morning. It's 4:47 a.m. and yes, it's dark outside, everyone's asleep, and I'm here painting with you. Today my husband and I are driving to Austin for a concert. So I wanted to start early to make sure you still get your daily video. This challenge means a lot to me, and you showing up every day, painting even a tiny stroke means even more. So, thank you for being here. Now, let's paint something beautiful together. Welcome to day 6 of 14 Days of Watercolor Joy. Today, we are painting a Christmas wreath. And this is one of the best exercises for building both confidence and flow. The beauty of this wreath comes from two things: tone variation and repetition. It's like building something magical with tiny pieces. Simple shapes, beautiful outcome. Don't worry, we'll build it slowly, layer by layer. Before we jump into circles, we need something super important: 5 to 6 tones of the same color. Tones are what will give your wreath depth, dimension, and that magical watercolor transparency. So, on your practice sheet, you'll see a little area to test your colors and to warm up the wreath pattern. Colors on printer paper will be slightly different, so don't use them as a color reference. I do recommend you to have watercolor paper to test the colors. I always keep pieces of paper from things that didn't work out to test them. We are mixing one color but with different amounts of water. I'll be using a clean palette for this. Remember, if you prepare the colors in advance, let's say you want to use this same colors tomorrow, the paint will be dry and you'll have to prepare them again, adding different amounts of water to get the same results. So, preparing the colors in the moment may be the best. A lot of water and a tiny bit of color for the first one. A little more color for a second one. And like this, we are preparing the last one. Very little water for a darker tone. Because you will be waiting for the layers to be dry to apply the next one, your color may be getting dry. So, keep testing them. Think of these tones as the ingredients we'll layer to build your wreath shape. Preparing the color sets the foundation. Half the beauty you'll see later comes from this. What I normally do is that I will be testing the colors on the go, adding more color to the water to make it darker every layer I paint. Now that your tones are ready, it's time to paint circles. Lots of circles. And I know this looks repetitive, because it is, but repetition is what trains your hand and builds your confidence. First layer done. Let it dry. Second layer, smaller circles. Let it dry. Third layer, smaller circles. Let it dry. And like this, paint as many layers as you need. Depending on the size of your wreath, you may need 5 or 6. Okay, let's talk about why repeating in circles is so powerful. Painting circles is like dancing to a song you've always loved. When you dance to your favorite song with a new pair of shoes, Yes, you know the movements, but you still need a tiny warm up before everything feels natural again. At first, you're calculating, is this too slippery, too heavy? Why do these shoes feel loud? But once you warm up, you stop thinking about the shoes. You just feel the song, move with it, and have fun. Painting circles is exactly the same. You are not thinking, what if people don't like how I paint? What if my circles look weird? No, you are just warming up your hand, letting your brush dance and finding your rhythm. I want you to feel this movement more than you perfect it. And remember, you don't have to paint every circle on the practice sheet. It depends where you are in your watercolor journey. Some days you need 80 circles, other days you need 10. These sheets exist so you can practice without guilt. No fear of wasting paper. Explore, test colors, play. Now grab your watercolor paper and let's paint. Draw a pencil guide. As a reference, I will make 2 circles. I don't need it anymore, but I know you may feel more confident with it, thinking it's your first time painting this. To speed up the process, you can use a hair dryer or a heat gun too. Start with soft, light circles. These create the airy background and overall shape. Once fully dry, add mid-tones. Slightly smaller circles for rhythm. Same for the third layer. You got the idea, right? Then go darker. The circles give the wreath structures and depth. See how layering simple shapes creates something so beautiful? That's the magic of watercolor transparency. Once your wreath is built, have fun with it. You can add, a bow, leaves, gold accents. Mix reds and greens. Try new combinations. Make it yours. The secret to a stunning wreath is tone variation, letting each layer dry. At least this one. Yes, you can let the colors mingle, but that's a whole different class. And trust me, we'll get there. Enjoy the circles, the rhythm, the dancing feeling of the brush moving across the paper. I want you to feel proud of what you create, whether you gift it, frame it, or even sell it. Tag your artwork with my Christmas brush so I can share for you. I'll see you in the next video for day 7. And until then, keep playing.